Welcome, here we've got Xiaomi 11T Pro and let me show you how to change photo quality in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button. When we pick it we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left side to open settings. And here we have to slide a little bit to find picture quality option. When we tap on it, we can decide between high, standard and low. And of course I suggest you to keep this on the best possible, which is high. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.